Everybody, I am Annie Katare, expert nutritionist in ANMI. I am having 10 years of experience in the field of nutrition and dietetics. Today, I will be going to talk about how to lose weight with PCOS, food you should include in your diet and food you must avoid in order to lose weight. It is difficult to lose weight with PCOS. In PCOS, you have hormonal imbalance, irregular period cycle, metabolic abnormalities, inflammation, and due to insulin resistance, it get even more difficult to lose weight. Why it is important to lose weight with PCOS? Excess body fat causes our body to produce more insulin. This makes our PCOS symptoms worse and create the viscous cycle. So that does not mean that you should starve yourself. Starving makes this condition more harder. So we should eat right food at the right time and the nutritious food throughout the life. How diet and nutrients plays an important role. Diet plays a very important role in improving the insulin resistance, hormonal cycle and reproductive cycle, and that to be possible with the help of low calorie, low carbohydrate, high protein and high fiber diet that may reduces the insulin resistance and also helps in losing the extra weight and extra fat. Include good amount of whole grain, legumes, millets, nuts, seeds, seasonal fruits, sprouts and green leafy vegetables in your diet. Also add anti-inflammatory fruits like berries, green leafy vegetables, olive oil, ginger, garlic that helps you reduces the inflammation which causes the bloating, and that is one of the symptoms of PCOS. The sunshine vitamin is recognized as being an important in controlling blood sugar and improving our insulin resistance. Low level of vitamin D is associated with insulin resistance and also leads to obesity in women with PCOS. So we need to include good amount of mushrooms and fatty fishes, or we can take 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight on the regular basis to improve our vitamin D and vitamin D levels. Try to add good amount of minerals and vitamin in your diet. Vitamin like B plays an important role in controlling the symptoms of PCOS, as our liver needed vitamin B to convert our old hormones into the harmless substance and that to be excreted out from our body. So, and also B3, B5 and B6 help in controlling our weight and boost our metabolism. So try to include good amount of whole grain like millet, brown rice, legumes and also fatty fishes, chicken in your diet, poultry things in your diet. That is a really good sources of vitamin B. Food to be avoided to get good weight loss with PCOS. We need to avoid taking the refined salt or white salt completely from our diet, as it contains the high sodium which causes bloating, unwanted weight, inflammation that worst our PCOS cycle and symptoms and leads to the weight gain. So basically we need to take the black salt or pink salt or Himalaya salt on daily basis, that to be the 1 tablespoon or 5 grams per day. The intake of sugar. Eating the good amount of or eating the significant amount of sugar is unhelpful for PCOS as well as for weight loss, as your body needs to produce more insulin to process it. So try to avoid or limit the intake of sugar. To avoid taking the unhealthy fat and processed food, as it increases our estrogen level which causes our PCOS symptom worse and leads to the weight gain. So we need to take the organic and unprocessed food and natural food, and also add good amount of healthy fat like olive oil, coconut oil in your diet that will help to control your weight. Also, we need to limit the intake of milk and milk product. Milk contains one type of glucose which we call as lactose. So excess consumption of milk or dairy product can lead to the increase in the blood glucose level and increase in the insulin growth factor. So if you are taking the milk, the moderation is the key, and also we try to take the organic, natural, pure, chemical free, hormone free milk which is healthy, safe, and also you can include almond milk or nut milk in your diet which is really good for your health. We need to have the organic, natural, unprocessed, small and the frequent meal. We need to have 2 to 3 early meal and drink 2.5 to 3 liters of water. Keep yourself hydrated, stress free. Do 30 minutes of exercises on the regular basis and keep yourself stress free, and take good amount of sound sleep. At the end, I just want to say that PCOS is very common. It happens 1 out of every 4 women. So it is very important that you should eat right at the right time with portion control while eating, and do 30 minutes of exercises on the regular basis. Keep yourself hydrated, keep yourself stress free. With the right nutrition, nothing is impossible. So please take care, stay healthy and keep yourself safe. Thank you.